Alright, it's time to build this bog with Anaya. So here, it's like it says, I'm drilling out the water reservoir. What this does is it collects water under the peat, and then it allows the peat to pull that water out as it dries. Now we're going to add the water reservoir. There was some rainwater already in the bog, so I left it in there. It's a little bit of sand down there to help seal the bottom of the reservoir. Here, you just add all the peat around that reservoir. You want to stuff it in there as good as you can and keep the reservoir in the middle all the way until the reservoir is covered. All right, so like the last couple bogs I've built, I go 100% peat around the reservoir. This maximizes the bog's ability to pull up water from the bottom. Where the plants will be planted has 3 parts peat, 1 part perlite, 1 part silica sand. Now, I actually had to put this part of the video in a different spot because, as usual, I forget to drill the drain hole. When you fill your bog, fill it all the way up. I actually stacked this one over the rim because I knew it was going to settle and sink down. So you do the same or your peat will be way below the rim of your pot. Here, I'm showing Anaya how to plant her plants. We start with Sarracenia first because they get the biggest and they grow across the surface of the pot. So here I'm showing her, not to bury the rhizome and growth point because it decreases your chances of developing rhizome rot. Then we go with the Venus flytraps, then the sundews. You can kind of do those interchangeably, but I always like to start with Sarracenia first.